By clicking the Results tab, you can view the student's results. Adjusting the dates enables you to observe all instances when a student logged into Spellzone, whether at home, in school, or on a mobile device. Blank rows signify logins without any activity, which can be useful to confirm actual engagement. Clicking the magnifying glass provides detailed insight into a session, showing viewed course pages, completed tests, and practice activities such as look, say, cover, write, check, spelling games, and listen and spell. When looking at a student's results, you can see how much time they spent on each page. For example, if a student is going through the material too quickly, you might want to send them a message suggesting that they take things more slowly and carefully. Additionally, you can view the device and browser used, which is helpful for both technical queries and understanding where a student was when completing the work.